So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and push this bell right here to get notifications when I upload new videos.
Hello YouTube, another day, another package. This time it's this one right here, and it says hanger walls belt buckle button mount weight for DSLR. Okay, let's go ahead and see what's inside. Oh shoot. Okay. So this is it, made in China. Some notes, camera belt button. The box is really bented, but I hope everything inside is good. So I said earlier, I wouldn't recommend this use this thing with a heavy camera. Maybe a small one or like an action camera that you usually use. And you can see it's locked. You need to push this button, take it out. This switch, actually, it's a switch. And this is how it looks like. It's plastic, nothing really fancy. So that's it. I have this one right here. I'm not sure what's this for. It's probably for turning this one, making it really tight. Yep, that's why I put it in. But that's it, actually. So guys, if you like it, give it a thumbs up. If not, then not. Peace.
So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and push this bell right here to get notifications when I upload new videos.